In this video, you will learn how to unbox the ScreenFilm 3.0 Express Wi-Fi system. Let's go ahead and get going. Cut the packing tape on the top and both sides. Then, open it up and remove the contents. Now let's review what's in the box. You of course have your ScreenFilm 3.0 Express machine, your ScreenFilm installation mat, microfiber towels, a small installation squeegee, the AC power adapter, the machine's touchscreen display, and the touchscreen display holder. Now we've unboxed the ScreenFilm 3.0 Express system. Proceed to the initial setup video to learn how to set everything up.